My dear students, welcome to the class. In this question, we are given a circular area. We are given a circular area in a park where Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are standing at 3 points. And the distance between Reshma and Salma is 6 meters. Between Salma and Mandeep, the distance is 6 meters. And we have to find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep, that is RM. So, what is given? RS equal to SM equal to 6 meters. And we have to find the distance RM. Also, radius of this circular area is given as 5 meters. So OS, radius of this area is this circle is given as 5 meters. So, moving on to the solution. First of all, we have to understand that we can see these are two equal chords. These are two equal chords in the circle, each 6 meters of length. And S is the point of intersection of these two equal chords from S to the center O. So, by the property of this line joining from point of intersection to the center of the circle, these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. Angle RSO and MSO. These two angles are equal, by which property? Point of intersection of two equal chords, and from this point the line joining the center of the circle. Now, if these two angles are equal, that is, they have ratio 1:1. Ratio of these two angles is 1:1. So, the third side will have the same ratio as the ratio of these angles. That is 1:1. Means RE equal to REM. RE equal to EM. So, if we have to find RM, so RM is equal to, RM would be equal to twice of RE. So, now we have to find this RE. So, if RE and EM are equal, it means OE is perpendicular to RM. If RE and EM are equal, it means OE is perpendicular to this RM. Now you can see, if we join RO, now this is a triangle ROS. In this triangle, this is the base SO, which is 5 meters. RE is the height of the triangle, altitude of the triangle. So we can find the area of this triangle ROS. Area of this triangle ROS. So first of all, we find triangle ROS area by half base into height. So base is 5 meters and height we don't know, and actually we have to find this height RE so that we can calculate RM. Now, from a different view, this triangle can be seen as like this. Draw a perpendicular from O to RS. Perpendicular from O to RS, so that it bisects RS. We draw a perpendicular from O to RS so that it bisects RS into two parts. Let us name it as L. So this length is 6 meter, half will be 3 meter and 3 meter. Now concentrate on this triangle. Concentrate on this triangle. This is right angle triangle, and in this triangle the side opposite right angle is 5 meter. It means it is hypotenuse. The base is 3 and we can find OL, the perpendicular, and this will be the altitude of the triangle. Now there are two altitudes. One altitude is RE, another is OL. RE we don't know, but we can find OL by applying the Pythagoras theorem. How can we find it? OL by applying the Pythagoras theorem. 5 square minus 3 square under the root. 25 minus 9 means under root of 16, that is 4 meter. So this altitude is 4 meter. Now you can see this triangle ROS, area once again. This was the first equation, and now we can take RS as the base and OL as the altitude. So the area will be half base into height, half base is 6 meter in this case, height is 4. So we get 12 meter square. This is the area now of this ROS triangle. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2. So what we have done, my dear students, we have a triangle. We have a triangle ROS, and we have found its area by observing the triangle in two ways. In first way, SO is taken as base and H, that is RE, as altitude. And from a second dimension, same ROS triangle is viewed as RS is the base and OL is the altitude, which we have found by doing a construction OL perpendicular to RS so that it bisects RS 3 meter each, and now applying Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, we have found the altitude as 4 meter. Again we have calculated the area by the formula half base into height, and we have found the area as 12 meters square. But in first equation, we have seen 1 by 2 5 into H. And what is H? H is RE. Now both are the areas of this triangle, so they must be equal. So by equating the two equations, that is by equating equation 1 and 2, means area equal to 12, by taking area equal to 12 meters square, 1 equal to 2, so half 5 into, in the place of H I am writing RE equal to 12. So RE is equal to 12 into 2 by 5, 24 by 5, that is 4 by 8 meter. So we have calculated this much length RE, which is 4.8 meter, and RM would be RM, which we have to find twice of RE. So RE is 4.8, 9.6 meter. This is the answer. Thank you.